Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to fight against back pain with a hot water bottle. First step, make some boiling water and give it inside a hot water bottle. This will help you to fight again the pain at your back. Okay, now it's time for placing the hot water bottle. Place it over the pain area at your back side. Maybe use a towel for moderating the heat at your back side. Now sit down and rest for a while. This will help your body to fight against the pain in your back. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.